Hello, and welcome to Over's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the rear tail light on a 2007 Mini Cooper. Alright, so following along with my project car here, a 2007 Mini Cooper hatchback, base model, so it's a non-turbo, but this should work pretty much with all of the Mini Coopers because the lights don't change, I guess, for this year. This is an R56. The tail light that I'm going to be replacing is the rear passenger. I've gone and ordered their replacement tail light. I believe this was a used tail light. I'll put a link in the description. I don't remember how much it costs, but I'm guessing it can't be more than 40 bucks. They're pretty easy to find because these parts, you know, they make a lot of these cars, so there's a lot of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and be replacing this light today. So here's your light. The light, you can see, has this trim here, and all you have to do is end up popping all that trim out first in order to get to some of these screws. So I'm going to be going ahead and doing that. But if you look, there's like a silver trim that's on the outside, and with tabs you need to pop them out. We're going to be going ahead and doing that today. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with this trim here. We'll start with the sides. And there you go. All right, so you're gonna have 3 screws. They're gonna be T20 screws. All right, in order to get this out, I went in through the back and I unplugged this top half of this plug. It goes up here. You just press down, just reach all the way up top, press down on this tab, and this whole thing comes out. And that made it a little easier for me to tilt it forward and then out. And this we're gonna have to put on the new light. All right, so in the trunk area, you just remove the little panel here. Just comes up, comes out, and then it'll give you access, inside. That way you can reach your hand in there and unplug that cable that we talked about. All right, for this, we're gonna have to remove all of these plastic parts, this black part. We're going to transfer that over to the other light. All right, so we're just going to put this in carefully and clip them in. And that's it. First, we're going to actually take this trim off carefully, so we don't break any tabs. So now we're going to connect this. Put the bottom in first. That's gonna be it. We'll turn the lights on and see if they're working. All right, so that's gonna be it for replacing a tail light on a Mini Cooper. Job's pretty easy. The only thing you're gonna need is the T20 Torx bit. You need some trim removal tools. I ended up using this one here, and the light, obviously the replacement light. And make sure if you're replacing the whole unit, because it's gone, you're gonna need all the pieces on the back with the bulbs and all that. This one was just the exterior piece that I was replacing. I already had the original light in there, it was just cracked. So just keep that in mind if you're buying a new replacement tail light. So that's gonna be it. And, hopefully, it helped you out. Helped you figure out how to change the light. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe, like. If you like the video, go ahead and like, leave a comment, let me know if it helped you out. And you all take care and stay safe.